finally.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What are you doing? Oh, oh. Ahmed?
Yeah, Ahmed,
Okay. Melly, nice to meet you.
it's nice to meet you, Melly.
Where
What up?
are you from? Oh, Iraq.
I'm from Middle East, from Iraq. I live in
Okay.
Baghdad.
Oh, you live in Baghdad. Wow. Okay. And what do you
And
do?
you?
Oh, I'm in America. I live in New York.
New York.
Yeah. And what do you do there?
Um, uh, if you're a question about my work, so
Yeah.
I'm working with the technology. I'm work with the internet services and with the computers and the laptops.
What do you do with them?
Fixing
Oh,
computers and laptops, and sometimes I work as a technical support for my friends and other people who they need my advice or something
right.
like
Of
that.
course, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
And you are just a tutor, and you have another job beside Cambly.
Yeah, I'm on 3 platforms like Cambly.
So you're
But
you're busy all the time.
yeah, all day I'm in front of the computer like this. Yeah.
Yeah. So
But
how can you manage your schedule or your time, because some of them there's like your schedule depends on your time, and
mhm.
uh, maybe you get more reservations. So how can you manage your
I
time?
do 1 hour on, 1 hour off, 1 hour on, 1 hour off. Yeah.
uh,
All day.
uh-huh. All day.
Yeah.
So what is your or what? Yeah, what is your holiday day?
I don't do a holiday day. I work 7 days.
Uh-huh. So so even your holiday, it's also working.
Yeah. I
Uh-huh.
don't I don't take days off because what am I gonna do? This coronavirus, where am I gonna go? I
Okay.
can't go anywhere.
Uh-huh. I got you. So maybe just in these days through the pandemic of coronavirus, you stay at home, so you get benefit from your time.
Yeah.
But what if coronavirus it's end and everybody is cool, everything is cool.
Then
After
I'm
that,
leaving.
yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
No, and then I need to travel. I miss traveling.
Mhm.
I miss going out.
Yeah,
How is it
yeah.
in your country right now, the situation?
The situation, I think it's okay with the numbers of cases. It's increasing, but what can we do? We don't have anything to do, just living our life.
I know.
Uh,
What is the
yeah.
population of Iraq?
Um, I think it's 7.5 million. This is the average of population.
All of Iraq, 7.5 million?
No, I think just Baghdad.
Yeah, maybe just back
Yeah, just Baghdad. Yeah, I I googled like a year ago.
Okay, so 38 million in 2018, so maybe 40 million now. And so 40 million and Baghdad is 7.5 million. And so what are your coronavirus numbers?
Um, just today I heard through the radio. Uh, I'm not kind of man hearing and listening to the radio, but when I play the engine
Oh,
or
when you turn on the car?
yeah, when I so
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
turn on the car.
Uh-huh.
So before I start listening to music,
Uh-huh.
you know, sometimes the radio it's directly open and playing.
Yeah.
So I heard someone, and she obviously she's what do you call it? And when someone speak on the radio,
The DJ?
not the DJ, she's on a program. She's telling us about the numbers of coronavirus.
Oh, okay. So the news reporter?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. The
Okay.
news reporter.
Okay.
Yeah, I heard her that the numbers of just yesterday it maybe 200 and maybe 200 and something.
200 and something. That's
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Oh,
That's
just
the
yesterday.
yesterday. That yes, that's.
Oh. Okay.
Hello. I don't know what happened, but maybe my internet connection affected by coronavirus as well.
That's good, that's what it is. Okay. I found your
Yeah.
number. Your number is 112,000 infected. See? Iraq. 112,000
Just
cases.
yesterday or today?
No, full, total. Total
Yeah.
cases. That's a
Yeah, I
big
think
number.
that, yeah, I think the cases are increasing every day, and the people get catch this virus day by day because some of them they don't care about wearing a mask and the gloves.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's so important.
including me, because sometimes I don't wear a mask because I think if I wear a mask I will be suffocated. I'm suffering when I work, especially because you
Oh,
know the oxygen it's
I know.
like
I don't want to think
yeah
about it.
yeah
I know.
yeah I
That's why I
I
don't go
I
anywhere.
I envy you because you work from home.
Yeah, yeah, I don't go anywhere. Just only if it's like an emergency. I order everything. I order the market. I order everything because I don't
Every
want to go.
yeah, but in my situation, I work 8 hours a day, so
I
I have to wear this mask. And sometimes if I don't have a customers, I take off my mask.
mm,
But if my shop it's full of customers, like 3 or 4 customers, no,
mm,
at that time, no, I will wear a
yeah.
mask.
Yeah, you must. Oh my God,
Y-
be
y-
careful.
yeah, exactly.
Do you have a family?
Yeah, I have
Kids?
family. Yeah, I have kids.
Yeah, so you gotta be careful. How many kids? Lara?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay, I see. Lara Ahmed. Okay.
Yeah, I love her. So I subscribe to Cambly, and I subscribe through her account.
Oh,
I link her account with Cambly, so it's
oh,
easier. It's easier to me. I like when I subscribe to Cambly through the email and stuff like
no.
confirmation and verifying.
Yeah, yeah.
It's easy when I link between Cambly and Facebook.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. It is much easier that way. Okay. So,
Yeah.
before coronavirus, were you traveling?
Yeah, I love traveling so much because you know when you travel to a new country, you will find new people, new culture. Yeah,
Yeah.
there new habits.
Mm.
Like if you especially I love the airport place more than any country because you know I think the airport it's a gate this gate when you enter this gate you will you'll discover a new world.
You're right. You're right. You're totally right. Okay, it's a nice way to
Yeah.
think about it. What countries have you visited?
Um, uh, I visited some countries around my country, like Syria, Jordan.
Okay.
I've been in Turkey. Um,
Yay!
um,
I'm Turkish. Did you like Turkey?
so Turkish. Yeah, you are Turkish or you are American?
I am Turkish American.
So you're mixed between two cultures.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
my parents are Turkish. I was born there. I came here when I was 3, but in 1985. So I've been here for 35 years.
So you born in Turkey or you born in
I was born in Istanbul
uh-huh
and I came here in 1985.
1984. Yeah.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah, long time. Maybe 25 23.
35 years ago. 35 years
Oh,
ago. Yeah,
35. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So where
It's
else?
yeah, I love Turkey. I love Turkish people because they are very kind.
Yeah, thanks.
The only thing that I noticed about Turkish people, uh, they love their language, so they speak only with their language. They don't speak like Arabic, or sometimes I tried to speak with them in English, so they reply to me in Turkish. So I decided to, I made a decision with myself. After the English language, I will learn Turkish language
Oh
because,
my God.
yeah.
It's so difficult. I can't even speak it.
No,
No.
no, believe me, it's. I think it's easy for me because I've been in Turkey like 10 times.
Oh
So
my God.
yeah, and
For vac
especially in Istanbul,
for vacation or for work?
uh, I the two together,
Together. Oh,
all
so you go
together.
for work
Yeah,
there too. Wow. Oh, well,
yeah.
thank you. Keep coming.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I learned some basics
Mm.
about Turkish language, and I found it very interesting and sounded great for me.
Yeah.
Like
Right?
teşekkürler,
Ay!
teşekkür ederim. I can count from 1 to 10, maybe,
Wow.
in Turkish. I'm always get confused about the number 7 and 8 and 9.
7, 8, 9.
Yedi, yeah, yedi, 6, 9.
Yeah.
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 So
Yeah.
so maybe
Yeah.
I will get benefit twice from Cambly today.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm always forget yedi, 6, 9,
Yedi,
and beer.
8, 9. Yeah. On.
On, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, beer it's one,
Yes.
beer iki.
3.
Oh,
Okay. This is an English
yeah.
lesson.
You know,
Okay.
some of Turkish people they laugh at me when I speak Turkish. So I was in a playground,
Okay.
a playground.
Playground.
So I reserved 2 seat. So I asked
You
the
reserve
worker
seats at a
that,
playground?
yeah. So I asked him about I want to iki tane.
Oi! I love this.
He
Okay.
loves he loves he loves that me so much. And I remembered after that, I
Okay.
remember that ikitana, it means like I'm not I'm not a piece.
It's like no, it's yeah, it's like you're getting 2 slices of pizza. Like, can I have 2 pizzas?
Yeah, that's the funny thing in learning language, that you
Yeah.
always get in trouble
Yeah.
from language.
But it's so fun. I love language.
Yeah,
Wait,
exactly.
tell me the other countries. So you went to Jordan. I hope you went to see Petra. Did you see Petra?
Unfortunately we have
Oh.
10 seconds left,
Oh!
but yeah,
Okay.
but I promise you I will reserve another
Okay. And
listen.
we'll talk about where you traveled. Okay.
Thank
Have
you.
a good night.
Goodbye. Thank
Bye.
you. Goodbye.